Hi guys, welcome back to Hyrule Hiccups. Uh, I forgot to mention, my hibernation. So yeah, guys, I hibernated. I am technically a bear. Because I hibernated. And while I was hibernating, I kinda killed Ganon. You might be asking, why did you hibernate for so long? Well, there's this thing called COPA in FTC, and I'm not even gonna waste time explaining it. And then I realized it only affected monetized creators, and obviously I'm never gonna be monetized. We're probably making stupid content. You're probably not gonna get monetized, buckaroo. So, I stopped worrying about it. Oh no, I'm stronger now. These used to be a pain in the butt, but now I'm stronger. Prepared to die. Prepared to eat my glowing sword that was placed down. Oh no, how did I kill a savage Lionel, you might ask? I might have to show you that. That was a very good experience. Come on, ambulance, you're ruining my recording. Stop it, ambulance! I know you're trying to save somebody's life, but I'm trying to record a stupid video. Well, this won't fool him. Aha! Aha! I have got ancient proficiency. I don't care, honestly. Kill me! I'm immortal! You can't kill me! Hey, you can't do that twice, that's cheating. Omae mu Sindayu Nani? Don't let him have arms! Get rid of the arms. Sorry, buckaroo, I don't want you walking. You can't be walking. Instead of you can't be talking, you can't be walking. I don't want you to walk. I want him to be in a wheelchair. How you doing, mate? It looks like you're feeling pretty bad there. Oh, he's dead. Ancient shavs, like the hardest thing to find. Wait, no, ancient cores are the hardest thing to find. But you know, whatever. I have ancient stuff for days. Because, you know, killing guardians is pretty easy if you didn't know. Oh, God. Not you again! Where is he? I can't see him. He's literally John Cena. I can't see him. You can't see me. My time is now. Oof! Sorry, mate. Not a big fan of that. Thanks for your money. I'll just, mug him. Oh, and also I'm taking your bananas. Ew! It's Ganon's feces. I see those a lot now. Ganon, why do you keep on pooping everywhere? Come on, where's your diaper, mate? Ganon forgot his diaper. Dang, that sucks, mate. Alright. So, my tablet broke, and that is part of my hibernation. There's this thing called Christmas, and then I got a different recording thing. It's called a phone. I don't know if you've heard of them. I know. Da da na na na. Oh, look, there's a fire. Let me sniff the fire. Just kidding. West Passage. Ah! Get out of my life, little dude! I'm not a big fan of little rock creatures. Oh, did I mention, I kind of already killed Ganon while you weren't here? But I just felt like I should mention it. You know? Sorry, guys, that I killed Ganon without you. I'm sorry that I killed a Lionel without you. Nope! The quest must go on! The quest must go on! Onward, I say! We're about to meet the big, fat, dead guardian with an egg. Okay, Daruk. Honestly, I could care less, Daruk. Oh, look, water. Should we take a swim? Probably not. This is kind of a bad time, Link. You can't be skinny dipping right now. Why is there so many bird eggs? Dang. Sorry, Berta. Okay. So I have to do this quickly because, like, you know, phone memory is not very big. And I can't see it because, like, I have to prop my phone up in order for you to see this, delicious content. Oh, God! Oh, no! You can't see me. My time's now. How did he not spot me one time? This dude must be blind, mate. No! I refuse to be killed by you. Apparently not. You know what? I can fly! Ha ha! Birdman powers activate. Berta. Okay, so my Berta powers have propelled me into the castle. There's some more Ganon's crap because he let... Ganon, where is your dad or your mom? They need to start buying you more diapers. You gotta stop pooping everywhere. I know that's very unmature, but that's probably what it is. Ganon probably just leaves his poop around. Oh, hi, Big Eyeball. You're dead now. No more Big Eyeball. Oh, what do you know? Stairs? I've actually never been in this part of Ganon's castle. I take it back, I have. Haha. You fool! You do the exact same thing when you see somebody with a gun. You run in a zigzag pattern. I know a guardian isn't exactly, that's not exactly a gun, it's more of a laser gun, because, well, they basically are aliens. Just kidding, that was pretty bad. Oh, look, little Korok, hey, this is Zelda's room. Let's hope she has a diary about how sexy I am. But, forget, the entire reason we, came up to this, literally swimming pool of gardens, gardens. Ganon's crap, So, we can't exactly, climb Ganon's poop. It's because he had the evil, Taco Bell, surprise. And, you know, that stuff's lethal, mate. You know, I couldn't exactly just... I am so epic. Okay, Ganon, show yourself! But I'm not going in there with this armor. I'm going in there with... Well, we gotta dress appropriately, right? I assume we would dress appropriately. Okay, I've dressed appropriately. Now show yourself. And then he decides to not show up. Oh! Oh, is that a big egg? I had no idea Ganon was a spider. Which, sorry, I've already played this before. So, like, I've already beaten Ganon. I shouldn't have done that without recording it. Like, I should have recorded me beating Ganon, so, I could be a little more surprised. But, just to be literal, I watched a video online, so I kind of spoiled it for myself, because, I'm not going to do it for Zelda 2. I promise. Ganon was a spider. Who knew? Who knew? I think I knew. Oh, look at that big sack of crap falling with me. I had the paraglider the entire time. You think Link would have noticed the floor cracking and it just been sorry Zelda, go save yourself, mate. Oh, hi. Hi there, you majestic beast. Why is one arm bigger than the other, dude? What, are you working out on one arm and then not working out on the other? Sorry, Ganon, I'm not fazed by your threats. I'm not really scared of you. Oh, I forgot. Come on, hit him. Hit him. Get yeeted. You will not? Why does your voice sound so weird? What if you do fail? I don't think Ganon really likes to eat your soup, Daruk. He's probably going to die from it. It's only been 100 years. Ganon, you're dead. So I fell asleep for 100 years. That doesn't seem real. I haven't ate or drank in 100 years? Well, honestly, this is a fantasy game, so I really shouldn't be asking very much questions. Oh, dang, he's already down to half health. Why am I even here? If they had more lasers, they could have finished him off. If they had one more blast of those lasers, he would be dead. And Link would just be sitting there like, dang, I am so privileged, I didn't even have to touch that. Oh, he's made out of Ganon's crap. Ew, who knew Ganon was made out of his own crap? That scares me. Okay, Ganon, you're made out of your own crap. Too bad I'm dead. But not anymore! Ganon, don't you know I could just shoot you in the face? Ow! I'm probably gonna die because of my stupidity. No! Oh, I forgot how to dodge. Now I remember. You're not even close enough to hit me. Oh, and even if you were, you just gave me an opportunity, mate. Die. By the power of the moon, die. By the power of the moon. Hey, get down from there. Get down from there, Ganon. Come on, face me like a man. Okay, you dumb idiot. Now I'm just gonna punch you in the face until you can't do it anymore. Oh, God. Don't do it, Ganon. Oh, you dumb idiot. Now I just get to punch you even more. Hey, what do you think you're doing up there, Ganon? Get down from there, you big fat... Oh. He's mad now. Who's mad? Who's mad? Oh, God. Please don't kill me. I'm not really in the mood for that. Ah! You dumb idiot! You fool! Honestly, I'm not fazed. What are you doing? He's affected by the flurry rush. Oh, you think I'm scared of you? You should be scared of me, mate. Oh, God. Hit him! Hit him! I'm not phased, Ganon. You dirty... Can't believe this is how you're gonna go out. He's dead. Ouch. Now that's gonna hurt. Oof. Oof. That's a big oof. Okay. Okay, good. Guys, can we make it to 1,000 subscribers? I just said that out of nowhere. I know I'm getting pretty hungry for them subscribers, mate. Because, like, you know, at least 100. Let's shoot for 100. Let's lower our expectations. Or at least 50. Something. Come on, guys. And girls. That's probably why I haven't gotten much. Who's my target demographic? Pretty much anybody. I don't care if there's kids watching it. I don't care if there's grandmas watching it. As long as someone is seeing my content, then I'm okay with that. Yeah, I think we know Princess Zelda. Honestly, this game is from 2017, so I bet you already know the story. I'm just gonna skip that. I'm sorry. I'm really only here for the battle. Oh, there's the bow of light. Hey! I really wish I could escape this Earth, but my mom won't let me escape the perimeter. Thanks, Mom. Oh, Ganon's also made out of poop. Why is everything Ganon made out of his own crap? He's made out of his own crap. Stop pooping everywhere, Ganon! Come on, mate! Ooh. Dang boy, he thick. Oh god. Oh no, he's moving his crap towards me! No! Cortex! No! No! I forgot how to run. I haven't played this game in a long time, okay? Kill Ganon. That's your objective, you beautiful beast. Kill him. No, switch to the bow of happiness, you dummy. Bow of happiness. Do it. No! Nig! That's not a word. And also, Princess Zelda, you better be careful. I mean, you're not black, so you can't really say that word. Better be careful, Zelda. Ow! Bruford, I don't really know your name. I named you Panda, but I'm an idiot. Just waddling down. Oh, I'm supposed to be killing a beast right now? Oh, I'm sorry. I was just, country road. Take me home to the place where I'm from. West Virginia. Mountain Mama, take me home. Oh. As you can see, I'm very skilled at singing. No, Ganon, don't barf! Please don't barf. That's the last thing I want out of you. And, and obviously, in all fashion. Oh, okay, I will. No, no, no. Stupid tree! I'm gonna die because of you, tree. Well, mainly because of Ganon. But the tree helped. Come on, my mom's gonna be mad at me. Thank you. I kind of have to kill you. It is? Thanks, Mom. Well, she's not my mom. Which is why am I listening to her? She's not my mom. You know what? I'm not gonna kill Ganon. I'm just gonna sit here and look at the chaos. I'm not fazed by your attacks, Ganon. Oh! Fine, I guess I'll kill Ganon, but I ain't talking to Zelda. I'm only doing this because my mom won't let me escape. Now I have to face Ganon one-on-one. Dang, she better be paying me. Look up where? I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, that? I'm just gonna wait until the last second. Ganon's dead. We're gonna skip this. I'm sorry. Oh, wait, it won't let me skip it, but I already know Ganon's dead. I don't need someone to tell me Ganon's dead. He is. Well, that's about all. Hyrule hiccups would usually be, like, you know, just messing around. And this time we literally just killed Ganon. That's not funny. Dang it. Well, there you go. I killed Ganon. Hey, why are you wearing those old rags? I'm confused. What happened to your old clothes? Well, obviously, look how muscular I am. Obviously, I'd kill Ganon. Oh, you're wearing sandals? Okay. Oh. Oh, yeah. May I ask? Yeah. Yeah, I do. You look dummy thick. I do remember you. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna cover my face so you can't see it, because if you really saw my face, privacy, you know, guys, you gotta have my privacy. Also, I have a surprise for you, little Timmy. No signal sign. Oh, and to all my viewers, thanks for, going on this journey with us. You know, it's been hard, you know, school, and I'm a growing man. Now I'm a man. Thank you to all you viewers who have been hanging on to this channel. Without you, I probably would be dead. Probably not dead, but I probably wouldn't be as popular, so thank you for that. Bye. Kermit the Frog, out. Bye. Now, I know you've never seen that creature, but his name is Kermit the Frog. Thank you guys for, still subscribing when I was scared about, Copa, when I really shouldn't have been, because, like, I'm not monetized, so bye, guys. Hope you have wonderful winter break. I'll try and upload more so I can actually get content. Yeah, so, yeah. See you next time.